that is full of what you like doing than a long life spent in a miserable way.
Hey, come on, yeah. I don't want the fame, cause I don't want a two-step with me, come on. Two-step with me, come on. Do what you tell me. Actually, 1, 2, 3, talk to me. Man, I come to this game, man, to change your brain. Man, I come to...
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are doing a New Year's Eve inspired look, guys. So I'm honestly filming this video like a little earlier than when New Year's Eve is, but I thought this look would be super cute. I added some Swarovski Crystal rhinestones, which give you like a nice little touch, flavor, euphoria moment. Okay, so if you want to see how I got this look, my personal nails, y'all already know. If y'all want to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching the video. Alright, so I already have my eyebrows on and my face primed. So we are going to start with the eyes because I just feel like that whole part is so boring to watch. Because every time I watch a YouTube video, I always fast forward to the eyeshadow look, okay? So for my transition shade, I'm going in with the Sleek Makeup. This is their single eyeshadow in Oh Honey. So we're just gonna put that in the transition part of the eye. And I'm just going in with a fluffy brush. This fluffy brush is by NYX. And I'm not gonna like smoke this out until here. I'm gonna try to keep it like a C shape because we are doing a halo eye. So I wanna keep this color in a circular motion. So the next color I'm going in with is in the Jaclyn Hill x Morphe palette, and I am taking this shade right here, and we are going to put this in the crease and start darkening up this look. So the next shade I'm going into is this shade right here. And we are going to deepen up the crease. And I'm taking this on a, the last brush I used was my Morphe R39 brush. So I'm taking this on a pointer brush just to get a little bit more defined in this crease area. And I'm taking that all the way in inner part of the eye, still keeping it rounded. So now that we have that blended, I'm gonna go in with the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil. This is in the shade Black Bean because we really want that black to be super duper dark. So we're just going to focus this close to the lid, and I'm not going to drag it out too far because we still want the blend of that dark brown that we put down. And I'm going to try to leave this space open, the middle space open. I'm gonna tap back into that dark brown shade, and we're just going to deepen up this area because I want this to be like super dark and super smoky. So we're gonna try to get that as best as possible. So now I'm gonna add some black into this look, and we're going to focus this where we put the Black Bean Jumbo Eye Pencil, and we want this black, y'all. finished one eye off camera, so I'm going to do the other eye. I've already carved out my crease. I just went in with some a super bright concealer, one that I would not use to conceal, don't feel, okay? So instead of taking the cut crease all the way in and all the way out, I just stopped it probably like a third in, maybe. So now we're gonna blend the colors together. We're gonna blend this black into this white part so we can have the shading that we did over here. So taking that darker brown first. And then wiping my brush off and going in with that lighter brown. But not taking it too far in to the carved out eye. Might be taking that too far in. Okay, so for the lid shade, I'm going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit in Sundipped, and I'm taking the shade Summer. And we're gonna use that as our lid shade. And we are going to pack this on. Okay, so that is it for the eyes. I am going to add just some black liner to the lid, but I'm going to do my face off camera because y'all seen it a million times. And then I'll be back to finish the rest of the face. Okay, so we have the eyes done and the face done. I went on to put my eyelashes on. The eyelashes that I'm wearing, you already know, are from Aliexpress. And they're in the style A06, I believe. But this is the eye look coming along. So we're going to finish the rest of the face. And I did my lower lash line on because I wasn't doing nothing new. And all I did was put the same colors in the crease under the eye and then added some black liner. So now we're going to finish off the face. So for blush, I'm going in with the NYX Baked Blush Illuminator and Bronzer, and this is in the color Passion, Ignite Passion, because I still want to keep this look very dark. So not too much of like a colorful blush, but just enough to add some color to the cheeks. And it has some illuminator in it, so it will give you a nice little glow situation. So I wanted to add some crystals to this look. So I went to Michael's and I bought some Swarovski crystals. These are the iridescent ones, but they do have other ones, and they were only $5.99, and you know that you can use a coupon. So I got these for $3, and they come with 36 pieces, and I'm only gonna use 3, I think. Y'all, your girl is sexy, okay? Now we're gonna do the lip. Y'all already know what lip I'm gonna do. So, do I really need to show y'all? Alright, so this is the lip. You already know what I went in with, okay? I went in with the NYX lip pencil in Downtown Beauty, and then I went in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills matte lipstick, and then I also went in with this new gloss. Let me show you. I've talked about this brand on my channel before. This is by Winnie, Beau, London. They're based in the UK. They sent me this gloss. It is called Sweetie, okay. And it is like this pinky nude gloss. It's super, super pretty. Let me show y'all. So cute, y'all, so cute. Alright, y'all, so this is it for the finished look. My lights are literally going out, so if it looks a little more dim, that's why. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. If you are new to my channel, join the B.O.M B Squad because we are the realest squad on the internet. Also leave a comment in the comment box below. But I look forward to seeing y'all in my next tutorial.